welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be doing some smoothie, and I'm going to make the pineapple and apricot smoothie. It's all about the 5-a-day. I've got this little book from our NHS, what's the 5-a-day all about. So this, is teaching us to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, and how can you achieve the 7-a-day that is recommending. Sometimes they say 5-a-day, sometimes 7-a-day. Even if you're going to take 7 or 5 fruits or vegetables a day, sometimes quite difficult to achieve. So the easiest way to do it is to get a personal blender or any blender that you have in your house, and then create a few smoothies that you can take to work or have as breakfast in the morning or lunchtime to help your 5-a-day vitamins intake. Indeed, vegetables and fruits are packed with all the minerals and the vitamins that would help your body grow well and maintain a healthy life. So having a good habit in place that can help you achieve this, particularly young children, is to create smoothies that you can leave in your fridge for your children or your partners or whosoever you are living with, or for yourself to have from time on a daily basis. So today's video I'm going to do, like I said, make smoothie from pineapple, and I'm going to use apricot. I'm going to add in some yogurt. You can use any form of soft liquid of your choice. Like I've said in earlier videos, you can use milk, you can use orange or apple juice or tropical juice, you can use water, or you can use milk or anything of your choice. I've even seen people use scoops of ice cream just for flavor. But to keep it healthy, I'm going to use natural yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice, but for my own personal recipe, I'm using the natural yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, drinking yogurt, any yogurt. So I've got the yogurt. So in my blender, I've got the blender, the personal blender that comes with a drinking bottle. So I take off the motor blade, and then into it goes, I'm using 2 scoops. This is the ice cream scoop, it's easier to use. So 2 scoops of the yogurt, and then into that bottle I'm going to add 1 of the apricot. So I'm going to chop it up a little bit. This is to take the stone, the seed, from the center out, so you don't ruin your blender. So that's the seed. I've taken that out, and I've chopped the apricot into small bite sizes. Then it goes into my blending bottle, and then a little bit, 2 slices of the pineapple. So I'm going to just quickly cut this. I've got the pineapple chopped into bite sizes as well. This is to help the blender last longer, because if you overload the motor, it does normally go up in flame and spoils. So that's my pineapple. So I've got a little bit of smoothie. This will be very good for a small child or even a baby. So that's my yogurt and my apricot and the pineapple. You can throw in 1 banana if you want, that's your choice. So I'm going to turn it upside down, lock it in, and then blend. You can add water to this as well to make it blend faster. because the yogurt is quite thick as well, or a little bit of milk. So I'm just gonna, it's losing up now. So you blend this for less than a minute really, and then take the blending blade off again. You can use the cover of the lid. If you're after this type of travel on the go personal blender, you can see my other video which I've reviewed on the S-Ball personal blender. So these are called personal blenders, and you can take the blending jug, the blending bottle on the go, just put the drinking lid on, cover it, and then you are good to go. You can put in your handbag and then during walk bring it out and have a drink. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to pour it out into a glass so you can see the result. So I've got a very nice and creamy smoothie. Give it a taste. Lovely. Cheers. Thank you for watching my channel on the pineapple and apricot smoothie. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.